Beautiful log home just minutes from downtown Murphy and Blairsville, Georgia. Step onto the spacious screened front porch and enter a large living room featuring a grand stone fireplace and low-maintenance vinyl flooring. The functional kitchen is ready to meet all your culinary needs. Down the hall, you will find a generously sized bedroom, a well-appointed bathroom, and a large laundry room. Upstairs, the expansive loft offers its own bathroom and a deep closet for ample storage. The interior accessible basement is perfect for gatherings, with a comfortable family room, 2 bonus rooms, and a deep one-car garage. Outside, a fenced area provides a safe haven for your pets or a secure spot to protect your garden from deer. This private retreat is conveniently located just a short distance from a state-maintained road.